Good morning, Hanson Huskies. Mrs. Paget here. How are you? We are going to be starting Unit 8 in our Benchmark Advance this week. Very exciting. It's going to be nonfiction, and it's going to have to do with Earth. So it's tying in with science standards. I'm going to go over a few things for you. We're sending out a link that's going to be from Benchmark Advance that they created to help students at home follow along with the assignments for distance learning. There's going to be a link, and each day you click on that link and read the portion for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. It's going to include reading. It'll have some comprehension questions. It might ask you to identify key details. There will be some writing tasks in it. Make sure you complete all the activities for each of those days. We're going to go over it together. I'm going to start by showing you a couple things. So with that being said, let me open up my desktop. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to go to Benchmark Universe, Benchmark Advance. You will all log in through Clever. And I know that most of you, if not all of you, got your new materials, your booklets from the district office pickup. You are welcome to do your work in the book. If you want to do it online, I can see your work instantly, and that's a lot of fun for me. So go to Benchmark Advance. My teacher screen looks a little different than yours, so I'm going to hit Benchmark Advance. You'll do the same. Find Grade 6, go to Unit 8, and I'm going to go to Week 1. And if you notice over here, I think you have this available. In class, I would show you the Unit 8 video. So I'm going to open this up. We hit the wheel and hit open, and you've got your video for the introduction, and it will give you the essential question. Let's see if it plays for you here.
Exploring Earth structures. An earthquake rips a gash across a wide swath of land. A volcano erupts, spewing hot ash and lava. We watch in wonder, fearful yet curious. These dramatic events fire our imaginations as well as our desires to understand and make sense of our dynamic and ever-changing Earth. How does Earth itself inspire human endeavors?
Okay, there was your essential question. And you watch that video again. You're going to have to access the information, and you have your Earth Structures book, like I said, online, or you have the paper copy. You'll be opening it up. And remember, if you do it online, when you get to this screen here, in class we didn't save anything, but you will create a customization. Type your first and last name in the box. That's very important. And then click yes. Okay, you will do that. Let me practice here. Okay, hit yes, and then you will be able to annotate, open up, do all your work, but you have to remember to frequently hit this save cloud. Okay, it'll tell you you have unsaved changes. Make sure you do that. All right, so let me show you a little something. You will also get, here's what Monday's lesson plan is going to look like. And if you look here, this says Mrs. Paget's Period 2, Language Arts class, begin Unit 8, Exploring Earth Structures. It's going to be broken up daily. We'll send you the lessons daily. Follow the link below for this week's daily lesson plan, complete day 1. So here's the link. Let's click on it. And notice how it says Unit 8. It pops up. If you click on that, it's going to take you to a Google Drive. And this is what it'll look like. And you might say, well, what am I supposed to do with this, Mrs. Paget? So right over here, if you see small, it says day 1. Click on this. You want to open this up, and I double clicked on it to open it. This is actually the whole week's lesson plan for you. So let's take a look at this. It breaks it down day by day, real big. Day 1, read. First thing you do is read, okay? And it tells you what to read. The unit video, Exploring Earth Structure, which I just showed you how to access. And then it gives you the text for close reading. You're going to read the first story, which is the short read. the South Pole, pages 4 and 5. Okay? Now it tells you you're going to respond. Now, they assume that you're with somebody. Have students think and talk about the following questions. You may or may not have someone to talk with at home. If you have a family member, read the text with them. This is a great time for families to bond together, for your parents to see the type of work that you're doing. Get them interested. They may learn something new that they didn't learn when they were in school with the materials. You're going to learn some interesting things about Earth. So here is our first standard. What are the key details for the South Pole? Just like when we're in class, we have those daily objectives. So take a look. Here's your objectives for that first day. You will be able to read and identify and annotate key events from the story of the South Pole. Use key events to form a summary, and then share my ideas through collaborative conversations. If you have people at home, talk about it with them. Read to a brother or sister, okay? All right, so here are the things that you have to do. Just go ahead and read all the details. And here's the writing portion. Take a look. It says communicate the following writing task with students. So it says use key details that you identified while reading the South Pole to write a summary. Don't make it too long, my friends. One paragraph is fine, okay? A summary just gives the important information, leave out the small unimportant details, and just give me the big picture, okay? It should be close to at least 5 sentences, okay? And just do neat work. And like I said before, keep all your work in a safe place if you have a binder or a folder, because we have to determine how we're going to collect your work. All right. So now if you look, you scroll, here's day 2. This will go out in Tuesday's lesson plans you'll get from Mrs. Wheeler early in the morning. Do all the activities. Here's day 3. And notice it's a pattern. Read, respond, and write each day. Here's day 4. You'll do this on Thursday. Read, respond, and write. And finally, day 5, that would be Friday. By Friday, you should have all these activities completed. Read, respond, and write. I'll leave it up to you to read through those and see what you have to do for that week ahead. Okay. I'm trying to think if there's anything else you might need to know about this. Just check your work daily. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, okay, and I can get back to you. I am very happy to call you. Sometimes it's easier on the phone just to talk. I'm looking at the materials and you're looking at the materials, and we can go over things together. I'm here to help. I miss helping you guys in class. I'm used to speaking to you on a daily basis, so if you want some one-on-one time on the phone, just send me an email. Say, hey, Mrs. Paget, can you call me? I want to talk to you about whatever the lesson is, okay? And we can do that. Or if you just want to call and chat and say hi, all right? Okay, everybody, hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying healthy and safe. I hope you're getting along with your family members. This is a unique time. Let's make the best of it all. I miss you all. Take care.